وإن عليكم لحافظين كراما كاتبين يعلمون ما تفعلون. And verily over you are appointed angels. يكتبون ما تفعلون. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, يعلمون ما تفعلون. They know that which you do. Kiraman katibin, they are honorable writers. They can write legibly, clearly, and very fast. Meaning that whatever we do in this world is in record. Inna rabbaka labil mirsad. Your Lord is over the tower, watching over you. Whatever we do in this world is known by Allah directly, and it is written by the angels. And on the day of judgment, all our deeds will be presented to us. وَكُلَّ إِنسَانٍ أَلْزَمْنَاهُ طَائِرَهُ فِي عُنُقِهِ. And every man on that day, his deed will be placed right at his shoulder. And it will be said to him, اقرأ كتابك كفى بنفسك اليوم عليك حسيبا. Read your book, you are sufficient as a witness against your soul today. ما لهذا الكتاب لا يغادر صغيرة ولا كبيرة إلا أحصاها. And man will say, what kind of book is this which has not left behind even the little or the big things that we have done, except that it has recorded it very clearly. We will surely be rewarded for whatever we have done in this world. That is why Allah said, Man amila saliha fali nafsi, and whoever does righteous good deed is for his own benefit. Waman asa'a fa'alayha, and whoever does otherwise for his own disbenefit. Wama rabbuka bidhallamin lil abid, and your Lord is just, and he will never be unjust with any of his servants. Are you prepared to receive your rewards in full? Are you prepared to be faced with the judgment of Allah? What are you putting forward today? وَلِتَنْظُرْ نَفْسٌ مَا قَدَّمَتْ لِغَدٍ. Every soul should look towards what is sending forward for his tomorrow. وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ, and fear Allah. إِنَّ اللَّهَ خَبِيرٌ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ, because Allah is aware of everything that you are doing.